Hey, hello guys, good morning. We are here. I will gonna harvest our garlic, and this one is the bulbil with the garlic. I'm going to harvest this one, and we will plant this seed this autumn. So I have here already. I removed this like 5 minutes ago. This one, it's big, so I hope it's clear. And we will harvest where is the bulbil. Not this one. The here is the bull where the bulbil grow. See? Yeah, she have a big garlic. And the bulbil is there. I'm just I mean I buy this garlic from my Thai friend. Maybe I will buy again at her. Another big one here. I think my garlic plant is overdue because supposedly it should be ready to harvest once the first leaf is going to die, but I let them wait. But it's look healthy, my garlic. There's no what's that, no sickness. So like a little bulbil here. Check. I'm gonna keep that bulbil. Wow, they are very little. Because I will learn, you know, planting them, how the bulbil grow by my own. As you can see, the earth are still wet because all yesterday it's raining all. How many here? And you need to be very careful because there's a plant here. This one is very dangerous plant. I don't want to touch that. How many times I touch it and it's burning. It make you allergic. Yeah, another one here near that dangerous plant. I don't. A big bulb. It's my first time planting garlic, actually, guys. It's my first time, and I'm happy it's success. I wonder if I'm gonna take that one with the bulbil. Let's see the other one. This one, what I'm going to remove. I removed the scapes of that because he said you remove the scape, gonna have a big bulb. Yeah, it's quite big, but they're all the same big. Here, where's my pea? My little peel. Tabar, wait. Here. Yes, I'm harvesting. Huh? I'm harvesting the garlic. Wait a minute. Make a video. Yes. I'm harvesting all my garlic. Some are little bulb. This one is little. Yeah, and they said that you need to keep do not cut the roots of the garlic. Let them, it's the thing for to cure it so that it stays like 4 months or long. So this one I removed the scapes of the garlic. Let's see how it's big. It's normal, it's big, but my garlic are very healthy. It depends where you put your fertilizer. But here in my garden, it's half, more on organic. You know, yes. Harvesting garlic. This one here have a bulbil. I think I don't yet remove. Where's that one? Let it stay. It's very big, this one, guys. Check how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, when I buy this garlic, they have only 4 bulbs. What I have now is more bigger. And 6 bulbs. No, 6 bulbs. Is that? Goose dye. 1 bulb and with 6. Oops. I think I will leave the one, guys, with the bulbil. I will leave that one with that one. Or let it stay more days. Well, 1 week maybe. And here is my harvest. How many I have? 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's count again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 bulbs. So I'm gonna keep here in the shades, and later maybe it will rain today. I will keep it inside in the house so that the garlic will stay long. Okay, guys, that's it. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something from my garlic, because the bulbil we will plant it next year. Yeah. See, it's overdue since the first going to die, and I'll just let it stay in the ground and have big bulb. Big. Yeah. Very beautiful, very healthy garlic. And I will plant this autumn also. The same this one. Have a good day. Thanks.